Imagine this, you're new to wholesaling or you're wholesaling in a new area and you find the deal of a lifetime and you want to wholesale that deal, but you got one teeny little problem. Okay, it's a huge problem. You don't have any cash buyers to take your deal to. So you're thinking, man, I better pass on this deal because I don't know who I'm going to wholesale it to. Now, before you do, watch this video because I'm going to share with you a tip for getting started wholesaling real estate. And I'm going to show you how to actually wholesale deals without knowing a single cash buyer. Hey, it's Jerry Norton here. Yeah, I've got the deal of a lifetime. I know I've said that before, but this time I mean it. I've got the deal of a lifetime. But here's the thing. I don't know any cash buyers, and I know you are the #1 wholesaler in the entire market, and you've got to have a ton of cash buyers on your cash buyer list. So here's the deal. If I give you my deal, can you take it to your cash buyers? And if one of them take the deal, then we'll split the wholesale fee. How does that sound? By the way, how many cash buyers do you have on your list? 1,500? Oh, okay. All right, I'll get that right over to you. Look, mistake number one that most wholesalers make is they think they have to have a cash buyer list first before they can go get good deals. And that's actually not true. I'm gonna show you how to do it. By the way, if you're new and you wanna make more money in less time and live your dream life, subscribe to this channel, click the bell icon to get notified when new videos come out. The way that you still wholesale your deal without having any cash buyers is to joint venture with other wholesalers. Let me illustrate how this works. Let's say that this is you and you've got a deal. Now you could know 5 cash investors, right? Cash buyers. And if you know 5 cash buyers, maybe one of them will take your deal. But what if you knew 5 wholesalers and each of those wholesalers had 1,500 cash buyers on their list? Now you're getting your deal in front of 7,500 cash buyers. Okay, now maybe some of those are duplicates, but you see the point here. So co-wholesaling or joint venturing with other wholesalers is how we do this. Now, all you need to JV with other wholesalers is a simple 1-page JV contract. Now stick around because at the end of this video, I'll share with you how to get my JV contract and all my wholesaling contracts for free as a free resource, a PDF download, so stick around to the end. Now, how do you find 5 to 10 wholesalers in your market? Well, it's really simple. If you just go to Google and you type in your market, so your greater metro market, let's call it Detroit or whatever it is, Detroit, Baltimore, Atlanta, Houston, and then you type in real estate wholesalers, then you're gonna find websites for all of the major players in that market. They all have websites, they all market online, and you'll be able to find them very quickly and very easily, at least 5 to 10. You can find them on Facebook, you can find them on Craigslist. Do a little searching and you can find really quickly other wholesalers that are advertising in your market where you have your deal. So let's break it down. This is the 5-step process for joint venturing with another wholesaler. First, you've got to get the contract with a motivated seller. Never try to wholesale without the contract, so get that contract. Step number 2 is you're going to search on Google or Facebook or Craigslist. You're going to find 5 to 10 wholesalers, active local wholesalers for where your deal is. Step number 3 is you're going to execute a JV contract with that other wholesaler. Step number 4, once that other wholesaler puts the deal out to their investors, an investor steps forward and says, I want the deal, you're going to assign your contract just using a simple 1-page assignment contract. You're going to assign your original contract to that new cash buyer. And then when you go to the closing and you close on the deal and that cash buyer brings a check, you get half of the wholesale fee and your JV wholesaler gets the other half. So if it's a $10,000 wholesale fee, you get 5, the other wholesaler gets 5, and you just wholesaled a deal without having a single cash buyer, without knowing any cash buyers. All you have to do is find a couple of wholesalers in your market. When I get a deal in another market that I don't have a cash buyer list, I don't normally do deals in that market, in about an hour's time, I can have easily 10 active local wholesalers that are players in that market, just doing a little research on the internet. I can contact them. I say, listen, I got this great deal. Let's JV. You've got cash buyers. Send my deal to your cash buyers. If one of them buys the deal, we'll split the wholesale fee and we'll get this deal moved. It's the fastest, quickest way to wholesale a deal without having a single cash buyer. If you want to make more money in less time flipping houses so that you can live your dream life, then subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click the bell icon to get notified when new videos come out. Now, if you would like to get my JV contract, my assignment contract, my purchase and sale contract, all of my paperwork and my scripts for how I wholesale deals, I put it all together in a simple resource guide. It's a PDF download. Just click the link in the description. You can download that and start using it right now today. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to watch this next video, or is it on this side? Be sure to watch the next video where I share another strategy, another tip for how to wholesale your deals without ever talking to a cash buyer. It's a completely different strategy that works really well with on-market deals. So be sure to watch that video and I'll see you next time.